Hello everybody, today we're going to be checking out the roof rack from Treasurall Company. So here we have our whole setup of our roof rack, complete with our instruction manual and all of our pieces fully assembled. And now we're going to put it on our Jeep here. So first we're going to set this right on top of our roof rack, and then we're going to check out what's inside of our bag. So here we have one Allen key, and we have 4 cap covers for the ends of our roof rack. End cap on right now, so you're going to want to make sure you're going to hold it steady, and you're just going to set it on there. Perfect. And then, that way, you just twist the Allen wrench to adjust according to the length of your roof rack. Now once your roof rack is adjusted to fit your roof, you simply set it down and then you tighten so that your roof rack doesn't go anywhere. And then once it's finished getting tightened, you simply just lock it up so nobody can take it and you're good to go. And once it's tightened, looks like it's not going anywhere. So after you've installed your roof racks and before you hit the road, you're going to want to make sure that your roof racks, each rack, is at least 700 millimeters or 27 inches apart from one another.